Hi everyone, Andreas here. Today I want to show you a bit of a patch of land that I have that I want to retrofit into a Syntropic plantation as well. I have this patch that is a bit overgrown with brambles, nettles, but there is also a spindle and a sloe growing, which I think I can already use as support species. So I would like to clean this up a bit with a machete and then plant another loquat tree and some black currant and some comfrey in here. And then, yeah, hopefully it grows again and I can trim all of these, and that will also help the loquat to grow better. Another thing which is really beneficial, I think, is that the blackberry will just be a natural fence and protect, when it grows out, the loquat tree from predators or from grazers like cows and deer that are roaming around here. So I think retrofitting this space and using the plants that are already growing there, working with what is already growing there, is a good idea. So I'm going to give that a try. Just a close-up of the soil here. It looks like a really nice dark brown kind of garden soil. I think because this area has been kind of spared from the cow's hooves, because there used to be a feeder. That means the farmer put the straw in here, so the cows would only walk around it and not trample the soil. So it's really nice, loose, crumbly texture, really nice dark brown color to it, and looks and smells good. So I think it's gonna be a good planting hole for the tree here. So here's another close-up of what I've done. I've planted the loquat tree right here, and left and right of it is comfrey, one here and one here. The leaves are cut already, so just the stems are coming out, and it's gonna resprout. And here's the black currant that I planted in front of it, facing south, so it gets like a nice sun. It doesn't look very good. I needed to transplant it from another place in the garden where it was in the shade and not thriving well, so I hope it's gonna take off here and gonna grow together. And then trim the herbage a bit around it so we have a nice layer of mulch. That's what it looks like now. I've planted my loquat tree and the blackcurrant and the comfrey, and I've trimmed all the herbage around it to put there as a mulch, so the soil is protected and it also gives all the other plants growth impulse. And I left the shrubs here all around, so it looks also nice and clean, which I also like as a way of gardening that I also enjoy. And it already looks like a bit like forest garden, so I'm really happy with what it looks like now, and I hope it's really gonna grow really well. I'm also adding a couple of seeds from my wild foraged seed mix here into a hole near and all around the fruit tree here, so that there's even more support species that are gonna grow around it, and we get like a really good density of all kinds of plants. So thanks for watching. See you. Bye.